Hi there, my name is Gunjan and welcome to my channel. Are you bored of eating eggs as your breakfast? Because I am. It's not that I don't like eating eggs as a breakfast, I love them, but there are few days that I do miss my oats or my overnight soaked oats. So I decided to come up with a recipe which taste really like the oatmeal because I really miss them. That's why today I'm going to share a recipe of keto oatmeal. I'm going to show you how to make keto oatmeal in two way because sometimes I like eating hot oatmeal and sometimes I like them as overnight soaked oats. So that's why I'm going to show you the both way. Whatever and whichever way you prefer, you can make them in your style. So without any further delay, let me go ahead and show you the recipe of keto low carb oatmeal recipe in two ways. And before that, if you are new to my channel, a very warm welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Now let's get to the recipe. So before I jump to the recipe, I would like to show you a couple of ingredients. And the first ingredient which I'm going to use is hemp seeds. And as you can see it here, it is highly nutritious and really low in carb. It's a vegan and a vegetarian option. So people who are doing keto and they are vegan and vegetarian, this is a great option for them. And you can see the texture of hemp seeds and this makes a great oatmeal. So this is a great option for keto low carb oatmeal. And next I'm going to use chia powder. So what I have done here is I have grinded my chia seeds in my coffee machine to make this powder. And now we'll start off with our first method, which is going to be keto overnight soaked oats. And for that, here in my mason jar I have added 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, followed by 1 tablespoon of coconut flour and 1 tablespoon of chia powder. Mix everything up. If you want to season your oats with some cardamom or cinnamon powder, you can add those seasoning to your dry mixture. And to this I am adding some diluted coconut cream. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut cream and I have added 1/3 cup of water to it to make this consistency, and give everything all a good mix until it becomes one homogeneous mixture. And you must have noticed that I have not added any sweetener to this because I'm going to drizzle some maple syrup on this once it's set. But if you want to add any keto sweetener to this, you can. And check for the consistency. I like my keto oatmeal on a thicker side, but if you don't like thick oatmeal, you can add some water to this and simply cover this and refrigerate this for 1 hour or overnight and eat this as you like. I like to eat my keto oatmeal with lots and lots of berries. And this is how my keto overnight soaked oats look like. And now moving on to, and the next recipe is going to be keto oatmeal recipe. And now this recipe is for those people who doesn't like to eat some cold breakfast. So this is going to be hot keto oatmeal recipe, and to make that, here on my burner I have taken my medium sized pot, and to this I am adding half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. If you want to use coconut milk, you can definitely use coconut milk. And once it starts to simmer, we are going to add our keto oat alternative, which is going to be our hemp seeds. I'm adding 1/3 cup of it, followed by 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Coconut flour really helps our mixture to thicken it up, so this is really must in this recipe. And next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chia powder. Chia powder also helps you with the consistency, but adding it too much will give you not a very pleasant flavor, so do not add chia powder too much, and give everything all a good mix. And I like my oatmeal with cardamom powder because that is the flavor which I like. But if you want to add some other seasoning, you can feel free to add that. And adding some keto sweetener to this, I am adding mix of erythritol and stevia. Another great flavor option for keto oatmeal would be chocolate oats, and for that what you can do is you can add some unsweetened cocoa powder to this to make chocolate flavored oats. And here I am giving it all a good mix and finish this off with some vanilla extract. And as you can see, our keto oatmeal has nicely thickened up. It has got a really good consistency, And now let me switch off my gas, and it's time to serve this. And as I told you, I like to eat my keto oatmeal with some berries. So here it is, and I have added some almond butter to this also. And see, the consistency and the texture is exactly like oatmeal, and this taste also really good. I'm sure this recipe will not disappoint you. Please do try this recipe, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.